Hi everyone, this is Justin Daly, President and CEO at VR Resources. It's March 26, 2025, and this morning we released results for our Silverback copper gold project in Northwestern Ontario, just an hour and a half west of Thunder Bay. So these results come from 6 drill holes for 1,342 meters, and we've seen anomalous gold now across each and every one of the shear zones and quartz veins with pyrite, chalcopyrite that we've intersected in this recent round of drilling, extending the zone of mineralization across 3 kilometers on several new northeast trending structures in this Marmian terrain. We, though, believe that this is actually the Lac-des-Mille Greenstone Belt still. The OGS has things mapped about 2 kilometers south of where we now believe the contact to be, meaning we're in a more receptive host rock with more iron, more ductile deformation is possible here, and more possibilities for that sulfide with copper and gold in it to dump out in reaction to that iron. So the goal here now is going to be, where are these high-grade shoots of mineralization? And in looking more at that high-grade outcrop at the center of the property at Central Zone, we see these fold nose structures in that rock, and it's those sort of structures that we want to try and find now with our exploration, whether that be till geochemistry sampling across the known zones of mineralization here where we drill tested, and on top of some of these conductivity and chargeability anomalies on these northeast trending structures. And using that in concert with perhaps borehole EM at the 6-channel EM anomaly at holes 7 and 8, or down at hole 2 where we've seen 600 and 800 ppb gold in that porphyry intrusion, we will be able to get a better handle on where the mineralization is, using structural geology measurements on the core to get a handle for which direction the closure of these fold hinges is trending, and focusing our exploration in those directions. We can see some of those fold hinges. I've drawn them, doodled them on the map here. In one case where a digim anomaly is actually creating that shape of a fold hinge with a chargeability on the fold nose, as well as that Central Zone where I believe now that there's actually 2 limbs trending up through the drill holes 5 and 6, and perhaps having that fold nose occur at the outcrop at Central Zone. Similarly, we see the shearing across the property. These structures, the foliation within there is what we're measuring. The crenulation cleavage within that top panel there, the green chlorite, clay, sericite, carbonate altered rock with quartz carbonate veins and widely disseminated pyrite in this zone is the target. There's as much disseminated gold in that rock as there is in the panel below in hole 7 at 66 meters with all that beautiful pyrite, chalcopyrite. And so it's these 2 types of mineralization that we're going to be looking for in our future exploration efforts. We're still waiting for a couple more results on the trace element base metals for some of the later holes, and we hope to have those out to the market early next week. That's all for now. Take care.